Well, hi guys, we're on site again. It's time for another rapid renovation update. This is Stuart Zadel. We are road testing Naomi Finlay's rapid renovation formula for real on a property that we're renovating with it and with her, basically remote control on phone and FaceTime. All right, I'm going to talk about some sparky stuff, some electrical stuff. Here I've got 4 fan lights. I've just got them from Bunnings with the significant discounts of the rapid renovation formula Power Pass that all our students get. You'll notice 3 of the lights are similar and 1 of them is different. The one that's different has no light in it, it's just a straight fan. It's replacing the fan that was in the lounge room. There were lights on the wall in the lounge room, they're going out of the wall, and we're putting in 4 nice LED downlights. Now the other 3 are remote control fans and lights. Now you might be saying, Stuart, why did you get remote control ones? So I'll tell you why, because these houses, some houses you're going to be renovating are pretty old. This house is at least over 80 years old, probably older. And you'll see the light switches are actually in the architraves here. Now this is a very narrow, and the hole that the wires run down in these houses, any sparky will tell you, they're usually tiny. Very difficult to get a new wire into, which you need to do if you want to have a switch that can control both the light and the fan separately. We don't have that luxury. We're not going to risk it, and to save our sparky time and us money, we're going to go with the remote control models. Now, second thing, when I got to Bunnings, Naomi had specified a certain fan. I looked, there were other fans on sale, equivalent fans, cheaper price. Looked like it, but not so. When I looked into it, the other fans did not come with remotes and they did not come with globes. So by the time you added the globes and the remotes, the price was higher. Once you added the Power Pass discount, Naomi's light was cheaper and better and less hassle. So once again, the rapid renovation formula triumphs. Cheers for now.